Hello.
Hi.
Say hello.
I said hi.
Punta ng Walmart. Good morning. At good evening dyan sa Pilipinas. Ayan.
No, good afternoon. Or good night. Hi, good night, people.
Say hello, Ning.
Hi. Is this where you got the plant
I don't know.
for
Ate.
the table?
I don't know kay ate.
Outside the table, the balcony, the plant.
Ate si Kanbay.
Why?
I don't know. She wishes money.
Ate, why?
Ano yun yung?
The plant outside the balcony on the
Si
table.
mama bumili nun.
Bye ka muna.
Flower.
Bye ka muna.
Bye.